All right, folks, let's cut to the chase. SAP and Databricks, two titans of the tech world, have teamed up, but is this a match made in heaven or a recipe for disaster? Are they truly unlocking the power of AI for businesses or just creating more complexity and vendor lock-in? I know, bold questions right from the start, but that's what we're here for today. We're going to dig deep, separate the hype from the reality, and figure out what this partnership really means for you, your business, and maybe even your career. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. We're not just talking about incremental improvements here. We're potentially talking about a fundamental shift in how businesses operate. Are you ready for it? Okay, so what's the official story? The headline is this: SAP and Databricks are partnering to integrate Databricks' data lakehouse capabilities with SAP's Business Data Cloud. Think of it as connecting the plumbing of your business data, HR, finance, supply chain, directly to a powerful AI engine. SAP wants to offer customers a unified platform for managing all their data, both SAP and non-SAP, making it easier to analyze and leverage AI for better decision-making. Databricks brings its expertise in big data analytics, machine learning, and AI to the table. The promise is faster insights, automated processes, and personalized customer experiences. They're talking about zero-copy sharing of data, meaning data moves between the platforms without actually being duplicated, saving time and resources. Sounds great, right? But as always, the devil's in the details. Let's see what this means to you. Let's start with the potential upsides for SAP and Databricks customers. First, and most obviously, is improved data accessibility. Imagine being able to analyze your SAP data, everything from employee performance to sales figures, alongside external data sources like market trends or social media sentiment. This opens the door to much deeper insights. Second, we're talking about enhanced AI integration. Think predictive models that can forecast demand, automate customer service, or optimize your supply chain. This isn't just about fancy dashboards. It's about embedding AI directly into your business processes. Third, streamlined data management. SAP's Business Data Cloud aims to be a one-stop shop for all your enterprise data, simplifying data governance and ensuring data quality. This is huge because, let's face it, data management is a nightmare for most companies. This is supposed to fix that. Finally, it will create competitive pressure on other vendors. Oracle, Microsoft, Salesforce, they'll all need to step up their game to compete with this integrated offering. So, in theory, customers win. But what about the hidden dangers? Beyond the direct impact, this partnership will have ripple effects across the tech landscape. First, expect increased demand for data science and AI skills. Companies will need people who can actually leverage this integrated platform. This means more training, more education, and potentially a bidding war for talent. Second, this reinforces the shift to cloud computing. Both SAP and Databricks are heavily invested in the cloud, and this partnership will likely accelerate cloud adoption. Think AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, they're all going to benefit. Third, consulting firms are going to have to adapt. SAP implementation and data analytics consultants will need to learn Databricks technologies and develop new methodologies. This is a big opportunity for those firms who are quick to adapt. Fourth, opportunities for ISVs, independent software vendors. Think of companies building add-on solutions and integrations that complement the SAP Databricks platform. This could lead to a surge in innovation. Finally, it could impact the open-source AI community. Databricks is involved with open-source AI, so we might see further collaboration and innovation in that space. Lots of moving parts here. Now, let's zoom out and look at the broader socio-economic impact. On the positive side, this partnership could lead to increased business efficiency and productivity. Better data-driven decisions mean more profitability and potentially job creation. We're also talking about improved customer experiences. AI-powered personalization and automation can lead to happier customers and increased loyalty. And, of course, data-driven innovation across industries. Think healthcare, finance, manufacturing. The possibilities are endless. But there's a dark side too. This partnership has the potential for job displacement. As AI automates more tasks, some roles may become obsolete. This highlights the need for workforce retraining and education programs. And then there are the ethical considerations. Bias in algorithms, data privacy, the responsible use of AI. These are all critical issues that need to be addressed. What do you think? Are we ready for this? Okay, let's talk about the risks, starting with the technical ones. Integrating two complex platforms like SAP and Databricks is no walk in the park. Remember, they're promising zero copy sharing and seamless connectivity. That sounds great on paper, but it could be a nightmare to achieve in practice. Think about data format compatibility, making sure the data flows smoothly between SAP's data structures and Databricks' data lakehouse environment. Then there's API stability and performance. If either platform changes, it could break the integrations. And what about scalability? Can the integrated system handle the data volume and processing demands of large enterprise customers? This is a real worry. If the technology doesn't deliver, this partnership could be a huge flop. It's like building a race car with an engine that can't handle the speed. Now, let's move on to the business risks. First, implementation costs. This is going to be expensive. Customers need to carefully evaluate the potential return on investment before jumping in. Is it worth the money? Then there's competition. Other data analytics and AI platforms may offer similar capabilities at a lower cost. SAP and Databricks need to clearly differentiate their offering. Next, market adoption. Will customers actually adopt this integrated solution? If they're hesitant to migrate their data and applications, the partnership may not achieve its goals. And finally, pricing strategy. The pricing model needs to be competitive and attractive. If it's too expensive, no one will buy it. It's all about figuring out what the customer wants and what they're willing to pay. Are they ready for this? Finally, and perhaps most importantly, let's talk about the ethical risks. Bias in AI models is a huge concern. If the data used to train the AI is biased, the results will be biased. We need to ensure that the data is representative and unbiased. Then there's the lack of transparency. We need to understand how these AI models work and how they make decisions. Black boxes are not acceptable. Job displacement is another ethical consideration. As AI automates tasks, some jobs may be lost. We need to consider the social impact. And of course, data privacy. The collection and use of personal data must be done ethically and in compliance with privacy regulations. This is a minefield, and we need to tread carefully. Are you ready for this? Here's a more nuanced risk that's easy to overlook. SAP is pushing a one-domain model within this business data cloud. The idea is to simplify integration, which sounds great. But what if that unified data model is too rigid for your specific needs? What if you need flexibility and customization? This could lead to frustration and workarounds, defeating the purpose of the integration. Think of it like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. Sure, you can force it, but you're going to damage something in the process. This is why it's crucial to understand the limitations of the one-domain model and make sure it aligns with your business requirements. Don't just blindly accept it because it sounds good on paper. Let's dive deeper into data privacy. We're talking about GDPR, CCPA, and a whole alphabet soup of data privacy regulations. Ensuring compliance is absolutely critical. The integrated system must be designed to protect sensitive data and provide customers with the tools to manage data privacy. A single data breach could cost millions in fines and damage your reputation beyond repair. This isn't just a technical issue, it's a legal one. You need to have the right policies and procedures in place, and you need to train your employees on data privacy best practices. Don't underestimate the complexity of this. It's not something you can just tack on at the end. It needs to be baked into the system from the beginning. And remember, the regulations are constantly evolving, so you need to stay up to date. This is a never-ending battle. Here's another often overlooked risk: SAP's reliance on Databricks. This partnership creates a dependency. What happens if Databricks faces financial difficulties, gets acquired, or changes its strategic direction? This could negatively impact SAP's business. It's like building your house on someone else's land. You're at their mercy. This is why it's important for SAP to have contingency plans in place. They need to diversify their partnerships and avoid becoming too reliant on any single vendor. And as a customer, you need to be aware of this risk. You need to understand the long-term implications of choosing this integrated solution. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Finally, let's talk about misaligned expectations. If customers expect this integrated solution to solve all their problems overnight, they're going to be disappointed. Managing expectations is crucial. SAP and Databricks need to be realistic about the capabilities and benefits of the platform. They need to clearly communicate the limitations and potential challenges. If customers feel like they've been oversold, they're going to be dissatisfied and churn. This is why it's so important to do your homework. Don't just believe the marketing hype. Talk to other customers, read reviews, and understand the potential risks before making a decision. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So, what's the final verdict? Is the SAP Databricks partnership an AI revolution, or just more overhyped tech? The truth, as always, is somewhere in between. there's definitely potential here. The integration of data and AI could unlock significant benefits for businesses, but there are also significant risks. Technical challenges, business blunders, ethical minefields, these are all real concerns that need to be addressed. This partnership has the potential to transform the enterprise software and data analytics landscape, driving innovation and improving business outcomes. However, it's crucial to consider the potential challenges and ethical implications to ensure that the benefits are realized in a responsible and equitable manner. Only time will tell if this partnership will truly revolutionize the way businesses operate. But one thing is certain, the future of business is data-driven, and AI will play a key role. The question is, will SAP and Databricks be the ones to lead the way? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, that's all the time we have for today. I hope you found this analysis helpful. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you excited about the SAP Databricks partnership? Do you think it's going to be a game changer or just another overhyped tech trend? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future tech deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.